to Joyce Vlogs.
Hello.
So today,
Our poor puppy got shots.
aw,
And she hated the second one. But she's feeling better.
yay!
She'll give you a kiss. Give the camera kisses.
Give me a kiss. Or not.
Give the camera kisses. Give any of people kisses. No kisses today. Okay.
I think she's a little sweetie.
Oh, yeah, she might be. Now, where is my phone? My phone is lost forever.
We'll be right back about right now. So, have you seen anything? We're listening, right, Nevia? Yeah. We're listening for something, correct? Why am I taking pictures? Here's the bunnies. I'll link their channel in the description.
Okay.
Oh, we found it. Yep. So, yeah, we just had a sponge thing fight.
Hi.
I'll show you one of them.
Where's my herb?
So this is it. Some just long sponges tied together with a rubber band.
Yeah. The one I used is outside still, but
Yeah, mine is too.
that's what they look like. That's what my brother looks like when he's vlogging.
Yep. It was storming just a little bit ago.
Yeah, it's pretty good now. Just let it focus.
You know you're not taking a video, right?
What the heck? No, I'm not. Let me see. Video. There we go. Okay. Okay. Hi. Hi. Sorry about that.
She's
Sorry about
taking
that.
it. Yeah, we're back. And, come on, Nevia. Let's go do it. Wait, we need to get something to hold
Where
it
is
up.
Razzie?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Now we're on the hunt for Razzie.
This will
That's
work.
probably going to be easy.
Raspberry. Oh, hi. Hi, Raspberry.
Oh, there's Razzie.
You're a big blur. A big black blur. You're a BBB.
Razzie.
Big black blur.
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 Bird.
How are you doing? And this is our dog Percy too. We haven't shown her yet.
Okay.
And Piper, where the heck is Piper? Oh, she's standing right there. Pull out little booty. Look her. My dog is under the couch.
Let me get you in the video.
Look right now. That is so cute. Look at that. Yeah. It's so cute.
Okay, so we'll be back about right now.
Raspberry.
So I'm just going to set this right here.
Raspberry. Try to get Razzie in. You go get her. Just a minute. Okay.
Now we'll be right back, okay? Maybe you should just carry her. We're back about right now. Yeah, I need to limit my video to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, since I'm just a ranky, or I don't have an official channel, so I can only post up to 10 minutes. So yeah, I need to keep it at like 9 minutes or so that I can have the ending.
See, I can get her. Yeah, I can really see.
Perfect. So just gonna get under this.
Yeah. We want to show you something perfect.
Yeah, hopefully you read the title, but if you can't read, it says our new dog sat on me. So let's go.
Yeah, let's get her on. Well, I'm good, baby.
Don't you worry. Come on,
A
girl.
little bit of difficulty.
Hi guys, I'm still under here.
And our dog is now on top.
Yay!
So our dog is now on top. She can't really get on top here. Just help you for a little bit. A minute. For a minute. it. And she doesn't want to, dude.
Okay.
She wants to see you. I can.
Make sure it's recording. Yeah.
Hi, Razzie. Where are you going, little girl?
Can you put her on top of me?
I'll try.
Well,
Try
she
to
was
get
yelling for a little bit.
even as possible.
Like this side barely has a wheel in it. No. Is that better?
Good girl.
Get it to Grandma. Okay. Kind of auto ended.
I kind of want.
See, we're gonna continue for part 2.
Don't have anything right now, but you can just kind of like leave it in there
Okay.
like that.
Okay, hi guys.
Yes, we're gonna continue what we were doing just a little bit ago.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Oh.
Yeah, it secretly auto ended somehow.
Secretly, no one knew it.
Be back about right now.
Yeah.
So our mom won't let us
Get
have
all
her.
those stinky.
So yeah, you did see her sit on us, right?
I hope so, guys. But I did have a Hatchimal before, so their eggs feel really cool. And my heart kind of tore to pieces. But what I did get is a lot of the color changing. See? This is the color. See, right now I warmed it up for it to be pink. But once I blow on it,
Yeah, guys, I will link her channel in the description.
it's purple now. I keep on touching it. See, it's technically actually purple now. And guys, I wish you could feel it. It has an amazing texture to it. Like when it was in the egg form, it had an amazing texture.
Kind of feels like very hard plastic.
Yeah. Should we go outside and kind of play around a little bit? Why?
Not right now.
Okay, we'll do it in a different video because we already did the slide video. We already did that, so oh, here's